Hi guys, Sloppery at the Linda, back here with a new YouTube video. Today we're going to be reviewing a nice oil and black owned company. It is called That's That Magic. It's body and hair oil, it's hydrating and it's moisturizing. When they ask what's that smell, you tell them it's that magic. It's in a nice little cute bottle. It's cute and whatever. We used it on my weave last night, as you can tell. We're just gonna do a nice review. Yeah.
We're going to be applying the oil again as a refresher to his scalp. It's a mix of coconut oil, almond oil, and I think it says some more on the back, apricot, and it smells like perfume. It's very sweet. And again, it's a black owned company. Right now, I'm just misting his hair with some water. He over here dying. Excuse how crazy I look. It is quarantine.
Well, you're
Happy
supposed to spin the film.
quarantine.
Okay, there we go. I can hide you.
It's okay, I'm good.
I'm hiding you.
I don't care. We will be doing some type of lineup situation. Over here spraying the hell out of you. And then now, this,
Hit me like a rise.
and it squirts out onto the hair pretty easy. And he hasn't been oiling his scalp lately because he's been away from all his products and stuff. So
I'm dripping.
I know. When are you not dripping with me?
Yeah, boy. I'm always wet.
Yeah.
They're longer.
Your hair's longer. And I didn't even blow dry it.
Imagine if we blow dried it, a bitch would have inches. This is just like, but it would have been like,
Oh, I need to put. I think I put oil in the back yesterday. I did.
yeah.
I just want to make sure it's oil. So my oil mixture is a bit different. And I'm just stimulating the scalp and rubbing all the oils in. Trying to seal in that moisture that I just put in his hair. And I just grease his twist with beeswax and another grease. So what we do now to make the ends a bit more curly is just put a bunch of mousse on his hair. This is an alcohol-free mousse. It's great for rod setting, twist outs, styling a wash and go. It doesn't have as much hold, so I would just use it as like an additive or something to help you apply the gel and stuff.
Remember when I only did half of my head and you did the other half? That was so funny. I had like four different hairstyles going on. That was the best time ever.
I remember you were like, oh, I can twist faster than you. And I was like, yeah? If you take too long. I was like, okay. So I had you did your hair. All I did was help you section. I just gave you section.
Girl, that was not it. I hated
so
it. I was like, never a fuck again. I appreciate you more than I appreciate anybody else. Hair is a lot. And the fact that I thought I could do it, that was a joke.
You probably can. It just takes some days. You know, quarantine. It's a good time to try this shit out.
This quarantine ain't really quarantine because the bitch still has to work.
Yeah.
Like just now, my boss texted me. I'm supposed to reply to him in 5 minutes, and it's been 4 minutes and 33
okay, guys,
seconds.
Thank you for watching a little video about this black-owned oil product.
My weave got curl to it.
Sit facing this way so they can see your hair, or like facing the chair like you right now.
Rotted it.
Okay, and I'm just gonna angle the camera so we get good and shake it a little bit.